By the end of this video, you'll have the theme you selected installed on your website. There are two different ways to install WordPress themes. Let's start with installing a free theme, which is simpler than installing premium themes. Start by visiting the Appearance menu in your WordPress dashboard. Click on the WordPress.org themes button at the top, and once the page loads, use the search bar on the right to search for the theme you've decided on by name. I'll use the Challenger theme as my example. Hover over the theme and you'll see an Install button to install the theme. If you click the Preview button, WordPress will load a preview of the site using a very basic demo. I have to say, the demo content they use here is really underwhelming and doesn't include any images or widgets, so it's hard to get a good idea of how the theme will look on your site using this option. Once you click the Install button, the theme will be installed on your site. This means that if you visit the Appearance menu again, you'll be able to find it listed here, but it isn't activated just yet. Also, after clicking the Install button, the Preview button has changed to Live Preview, and if you click this button, you can get a preview using your own site's content. This is a much more practical look at how the theme will look on your website. And just so you know, you can close this preview and return to the Appearance menu, and you'll see that you can live preview any of your installed themes whenever you want. I'll click on the Activate button to activate Challenger on my site now. After activating the new theme, you can visit your site and you'll see the design has changed completely, but all of the content remains the same. If I click on the Contact menu item, for instance, you'll see I have the same contact form working here. So that's the first method to install a theme. If you purchase a theme from ThemeForest, or if you downloaded one of my themes included in the WordPress Beginners bundle, you'll get a zip file instead. I'll hover over my site title in the admin toolbar and then click the Themes link to return to the Themes menu now. While I'm here, I'll click on Apex, and if you ever want to delete a theme, you can click this small delete button down here and then click OK in the browser prompt. Now, to upload a theme with a zip file, you'll start by clicking the Upload button. On the next page, click the Upload Theme button at the top to reveal the uploader. You can click the Choose File button to select the zip file from your computer, or a cool trick you can use is to drag and drop the zip file onto the button. You can do that with these Choose File buttons on any website, just so you know. Then, click the Install Now button to install the theme, and you'll see a page like this confirming the installation success. Click the blue Activate link, and the theme will be activated on your site. As you can see, I now have the Apex theme activated once more, and I can visit my site to see it looks exactly as it did at the beginning of this video. Now that you know how to find a theme and how to install it on your site, you're ready to begin customizing with the WordPress Live Customizer. I'll see you in the next video.